Good morning, students. Today I am going to start lesson number 5 of your reader book. Now we are 6. Now we are 6 is a beautiful poem. Okay? Before you read, see what are the things that you can do now but could not do when you were a baby. So, what you are not able to do when you were a baby? When you were a baby, you are not able to talk properly, not able to walk properly, not able to eat by yourself. So, your mother, your father, your older brother or sister helps you to do all the things. Okay? Now, read the poem. This poem is written by A. Milne. Here in this poem, we will see a boy. See? A boy who is just like you. You all are in class 1 and you all are almost 6 years old. Yeah? Here also the poet is 6 years old and considered himself to be very clever. Students, you all are 6 years old. So, what do you think? You all are very clever? Yes, you all are very clever, very intelligent. Yes, I know. So, let us read the poem. When I was 1, I had just begun. Here the poet says that when he was 1 year old, he had just begun. Means he had just started everything like walking, eating, talking, etc. He had just started. Okay? When I was 2, I was nearly new. In this line, the poet says when he was 2 years old, he was merely new to many things like playing with his toys, listening to the rhymes, and responding when his mother calls. Okay? When I was 3, I was hardly me. In this line, poet want to say that when he was 3 years old, he had to do work according to others' will. What the poet says? When he was 3 years old, he had to do work according to others' will. Like, don't touch the particular things, don't go out without permission, don't do this, don't do that, don't do like this. So everyone told him to what to do and what not to do. That's why poet is saying that I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. Means the poet says when he was 4, he was not much independent because he was not allowed to do more things. Okay? He was not allowed to do whatever he wants. Okay? That's why he is saying I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. In this line, poet says, when he was 5 years old, he started thinking that he also exists in this world. What he starts thinking? Just that he also exists in this world and he can do the things what he wants. Like he can play by himself, he can eat by himself, or he can play with the toys, so many things. But now I am 6. I'm as clever, so I think I will be 6 forever and ever. But when he comes to 6 years old, he thinks that he has become very clever, and he also thinks that now he will be clever enough for the rest of his life and wants to be in the age of 6 only. Why? Because he thinks that at the age of 6 he is very clever, so for the whole life he wants to be like this. That means he wants to be very clever. Okay? What is the poem? When I was one, I had just begun. It means when poet was 1 year old, he had started his life. When I was two, I was nearly new. That means when the poet was 2 years old, he was new to many things like playing games, listening rhymes, or so many things. When I was three, I was hardly me. When he became 3 years old, he had to follow the orders of their elder ones. When I was four, I was not much more. Means he was not so independent at the age of 4. He has to follow the orders or rules of the house or follow the commands or order of the elder ones. When I was 5, I was just alive. But now I am 6, I am as clever. So I think I will be 6 forever and ever. And when he was 5 years old, he started thinking that he also exists in this world and he can do the things according to himself. And when he became 6 years old, he has become very clever, and he also thinks that now he will be clever enough for rest of the life and wants to be in the age of 6 only. That's why he is saying I will be 6 forever and ever. Okay students, hope you all understood the chapter, understood the poem. Yes. Now see, there is a short exercise. Tick the correct option. When the poet was 1, he felt he had just begun. When the poet was nearly 2, he felt he was nearly new. When the poet was 5, he felt he was just alive. Okay? Answer these questions. When did the poet feel that he had just started? So, the poet felt at the age of 1 that he had just started. How did the poet feel when he was 3? The poet felt that he had to do work according to others' will. How did the poet feel when he turned 6? He feels that he has become very clever now. Why does the poet wants to stay 6 forever and ever? Because the poet thinks that now he will be clever enough for rest of his life and wants to stay 6 forever and ever. Write the rhyming words for these words. 1. Begun. 3. Me. 5. Alive. 2. New. 4. More. Clever ever. Okay. So I hope you all understood. Thank you.